Tax rules in Canada are specific. Getting them wrong has consequences for individuals, businesses, and the professionals responsible for their finances. This course is built for anyone who wants to understand how Canadian tax works from the ground up, whether you're in an accounting or bookkeeping role, managing your own business finances, or looking to formalize your tax knowledge with a recognized credential. Across 13 modules, you'll work through Canada's tax system and how it's administered, the principles of tax planning, income determination and how it's taxed, and income from employment, business, and property. From there, the course covers capital gains and losses, an introduction to corporations, partnership businesses, limited partnerships and joint ventures, the taxation of trusts, GST and HST, and finally, domestic and international business expansion, giving you a complete picture of how Canadian tax applies across different structures and situations. The course is fully online with audio voiceover, developed by qualified professionals, and accessible on your laptop, tablet, or phone at whatever pace suits you. Once you complete the course, your e-certificate is issued immediately, and you will also receive a free hard copy certificate. Bulk enrollment discounts are available for teams. CPD accredits the course. Canadian tax is detailed work. This course makes sure you understand it properly.